San Jose.
Check it out. You're in. On the way to the plane, going up the plane, I'm full and stuff. All right, here's the deal.
Hey, Kathleen. Hi, I'm Clay. How are you?
Great, Jay. How are you?
Good, good, real good. You ready to do this, huh? Yeah. See, that's a yes for her.
Yeah, that's a yes.
So what's the occasion? Why are we out here?
Multifold.
Yeah?
Wanted to have an experience with my son.
Very cool. Good.
Probably the most important reason is to demonstrate how important trust is.
Yeah?
Because I don't
You're
know.
gonna trust this guy right there? You don't even know him. You don't even know him.
Met him, but my clients don't know me from Adam either, and yet they have to decide to hire me. So they're
Okay.
taking a leap of faith and hiring me.
Nice.
And so I thought this would be a great way to share the experience with my son and demonstrate to my clients that this is what they're doing when they decide to hire me. They're trusting me to take them safely.
If you could trust this guy with your safety, they can certainly trust you,
I
right?
trust him. I was hoping for somebody a little bigger than me.
I do them too. You're lucky you didn't get me.
That's just my judgment.
My wife said the same thing when I met her. Don't you have anybody bigger? I said, yeah, but not better.
There you go.
From the knee point in the skydiving, feeling kicking at your shins, picking them up. That's what I'm saying. So anyway, hands on the harness.
You just smile out there, okay, hon? We're going to take care of the rest for you today.
Some stuff on this harness.
She's
taking me on a jump.
Oh, there you go. There you go. All right, Kathleen, are you ready for this?
You ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
He's ready. All right, I'll see you outside, all right? Okay. right, here comes Sean first. Coming in for his landing. Oh, I don't know why. Okay, there he is, coming on in. Hi, beautiful.
Right on the plane. Yeah, that was fantastic.
That's the biggest rush right out of the plane, huh? Here comes Mom!
What? What are you doing? Yeah.
Welcome to the sky, Mom.
Just like that.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Kathleen, what'd you think?
That was incredible.
Was that cool?
I was so scared when I jumped out. I wanted to close my eyes and not look,
Yeah.
but everything happened so fast.
You gotta look.
How was that?
Hey, baby.
How was that? Wasn't it?
Wow. Great. Levi was amazing.
I told you, size doesn't matter.
Pushed me all the way. Even offered to let me steer. But I
Nice.
was afraid I would do something and turn us upside down. I didn't want to do that.
No, no.
That
Well,
was
why don't you guys, let me get a picture of both of you together here.
wow.
Happy Mother's Day, and thank you so much for coming out to Barry Skydiving. We appreciate it. All right.